Say what? Well, like I always say, the true superheroes are the right foods. So find them, eat them, and enjoy their hidden powers. All right, problem. Stubborn weights. The objective is to lose 15 to 20 pounds fast. I'm going to show you just how I incorporate my favorite superfood into my daily diet. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss out on these gems. I know you may be wondering, what in the world are superfoods? Do they give you like some type of super energy or powers? Nah, they are like the epitome of foods that equal health. There are many superfoods, but the number one superfood are berries, specifically acai berries. All right, let's go ahead and have a quick lesson. Let's say that together. Acai. Acai. Yeah, there you go. Acai. I said it wrong, fella. I was like acai, but it's acai berries. Acai berries contain antioxidants and fiber. They are labeled as superfood because people claim they help with various health concerns like arthritis, high cholesterol, weight loss, and erectile dysfunction. Although I'm sharing their benefits for weight loss, you might as well take advantage of their potent nutrients to improve cholesterol levels, anti-cancer effect, and might as well go ahead and just improve and boost your brain function while you're at it. Take it like me. Just take it to the head. Just take it all the way to the head. Oh, what you all been waiting for, here's my easy 7-day superfood smoothie recipe. This is sure to give you all the nutrients you need, to give you energy, to give you clear skin, to give you, just make your life vibrant. I mean, a smoothie a day will definitely take your problems away. In this case, it will. All right, so you're gonna start off needing 1.5 cup size measuring cups, organic acai juice, any brand, but I'll provide details in the description to the brand I use specifically. I get mine from Costco for around $8, which isn't bad because acai juice and berries are pretty much on the expensive side. Well, like they say, you know, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. All right, you want to start off giving that acai juice a good shake. All right, now put your back into it, put a little hip into it. There, perfect. Next, what I add is these little pre-packaged organic super smoothie. It's fruits pretty much. So they have bananas, they have kale, they have and veggies. It's berries, and it's just a mix of all types of goodness and nutrients. It's gonna help to thicken up that smoothie. So you just dump that right on into the blender. Go ahead and grab those measuring cups. Start measuring your acai juice. Pour that right on in, and trust me, this smoothie is going to be so thick and delicious. That's all I have to say. I like mine a little thick. All right, now, so before y'all bash me in the comments, go ahead and warn you guys now, I'm about to make a really huge mess, but hey, it doesn't matter. As long as the smoothie tastes good, that's all that counts. I was just letting y'all know that it was the glass fault, not mine. Good, I had a good handy towel right next to me to clean it all up, and we're good and we're squared away. Let's go ahead and enjoy this acai shake. Well, smoothie, it's not a shake. Well, it's kind of like a shake because I was getting my shake on, right? But let me go ahead and show you guys the mess that I made. So it's no big deal. So what we do, we don't waste food over here. We just go ahead and scoop and enjoy. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and include a disclaimer. I want to just give you guys a warning. You're going to have loads of energy, okay? It's going to be energy out of this world. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but when I get my smoothie in the morning, I mean, the day is endless. So, I have to share the results. Although I have about 15 more pounds to lose, I did achieve my objective. I lost 13 pounds. So, mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and comment and give me a sub because I have tons of health tips to share. See you soon.